Hello. What's up guys, my name is Shockz. Welcome to another beatbox tutorial. Today I want to teach you the BMG snare, or it's known as the spit snare. It's known as the BMG snare because the first person who invented it was BMG. He's a beatboxer. Look at this video. He made that sound, I think, in 2009 or something like that, 2010 maybe. Respect to him, BMG. But it's a spit snare or some other names that I don't know and I don't remember right now. But let's go through the tutorial. Welcome to beatbox. It's one of the basic sounds and you should learn that very soon and fast, but it's one of the hard basic ones. For me at least, it takes me a lot. Even now I can't do that very fast or very clean, but I know the whole point of the sound and I can teach you how I learned it. There are three ways you can do that sound. The middle one, the lower lips come on the upper lips like this, and the opposite of that. I can do all of that, but not clean as much as the other beatboxers, but you can learn whatever you want. Make that sound unique for yourself, as I always say, and do that in the way that you are comfortable with it. Okay, now choose a side. One of them. First step you should do, for example, I want to teach you the bottom lip, like this. You should hold the air in the down of your mouth, something like this. Like the babies do, something like this. Hold the air here and release that air very smoothly and in a tight place, something like this. It sounds something like the elephant, you know. See, no difference as the middle one, the upper one, the lower one. You can do that in the way you are comfortable with it. Okay, that was the first step. See, that was cool and easy. And the second step, and it's almost the last step, is to make that sharp and a very powerful pressure on it. Something like this. You want to make that fast and in 1 second and percussive. You want to release the air in your mouth very fast. Yes, and it sounds something like this. As always, let's go and take some practice with it. The first beat. That was an easy beat to let you do it cleaner and you understand where to release the air. Okay, the second practice, try to do that with the throat bass. And if you pay attention, according to the beat that I'm doing, I change my mouth position. Maybe I'm doing a beat that the upper lips coming on the lower lips comes better with that beat, so I use that one. It's, I told you, it has no difference. You can use all the variations. See, you can use all of the sounds. If you enjoyed, please guys, and if you learned something, please like this video and comment down below if you have any questions or ideas or anything. So subscribe, like and share this video with your friends who wants to learn beatbox. Take care. As always, drink water after practicing beatbox. Have a nice day.